Last time you saw us, we had an amazing time wing sailing and making our way around the beautiful Sardinian coast. But today we're making our way to the archipelago that is La Maddalena.
We are at the beautiful archipelagos La Maddalena. We've just bought a permit online for like 28 euros for a week, and we're hoping we've got the right thing, but it's so confusing and there's just not much information about it, and we haven't heard anyone ever like mention this, so we don't really know. We're not sure. We're just trying to do the right thing. Just really confused because the website makes it look like you can't anchor here overnight anywhere, but that seems unlikely. Like, I'm sure some boats here are anchoring overnight, but we're currently going past the pink beach, which isn't pink anymore, unfortunately. It's all totally protected, so you can't set foot on land, you can't take a boat there, yeah, you can't do anything on the beach, and that's basically because all the anchoring and visitors to the beach have actually made it not pink anymore, and it's pink because of the microorganisms. The pictures of how it used to look amazing, but it just looks like a normal beach now. It's still very pretty, beautiful, looks really like tranquil, but no pink, unfortunately.
This whole area looks a little bit Caribbean-esque.
Yeah. Literally cannot find a spot to anchor. Like, we've been to Bordelli Island, and it was about 4 anchorages and they're all completely full. So we're heading over to the main island of La Maddalena now. So obviously the nicer somewhere is, obviously everyone wants to go there, which you can't blame them. How beautiful and like quiet and picturesque North Sardinia has been so far for us. We were expecting a bit more of that, but yeah, fingers crossed we find somewhere. We're down, we're anchored. Thoughts?
It looks like a really cool location and I really can't wait to get in the water. I think there's going to be loads of cool stuff around here. It is pretty busy, but I think it's just going to be when you hit good places, isn't it? Like, it's just going to be busy, but I'm glad we're down now and we're settled.
So I'll show you guys on the map where we've anchored, and yeah, surprisingly quiet here compared to all the other anchorages, so I'm not sure why. Maybe that means it's not going to be very protected. I'm not sure how long we're going to be here for, but looking forward to having a little explore and go for a swim, have a cool down.
All I'm keeping track of is the weather, and there's no wind, no sun, nothing. 80 days and I'm not feeling better, but a sweet relief is finding me. There's no love under the portrait. Ain't got no loyalties, no one to please. I just got that glue. Rhythm ordinarily, setting my soul free. Oh, the thrill I found in these
Suppose you want some grub? Oh. I suppose you want some grub, don't you?
I absolutely do. That swim has made me so hungry.
Well, I got just the thing for you.
Lentil rice.
Yes. It's like a whole genre of food called peasant food. Like, basically, The recipes are usually like, they found a way to make it like taste nice, like really simple food. It's probably 99% of what we already eat, because it usually just means it's really like cheap, really simple.
That sounds like us.
Yeah, cheap and simple. We've got these big bags of lentils, and I think in a portion I do roughly about a mug of this for 2 people, which is probably quite a lot. And then also just some brown rice. So simple. We really like it, don't we?
Yeah, I love it. For my comfort foods,
Yeah.
I like simple.
This is like an ultimate comfort meal. So I've just let these dried lentils soak all morning. So I've literally just put them in water and just left them. And that just speeds up the cooking time a little bit. They cook loads quicker that way. And I'm just going to mix in about half a mug of rice. Shove that in there. Fill it with some water. This is all absolute guesswork. Like, sometimes I get it right, other times I get it completely wrong and put way too much water in. Other times I have to keep topping the water up. So it really could go any way, to be honest. Now, there is like 1,000,001 different ways that you could cook this, and you could make it really exciting. You could put all different veggies in, all different flavours. Literally, like, there are so many things you can do with lentils and rice. But we are going completely basic today, and we absolutely love this. I'm just sticking a clove of garlic in, and a stock cube, and that is literally it. That's all it needs. And then leave it to cook. When it's cooked, we usually drizzle over a bit of sriracha, and that's it. As simple as that. Also, I'm enjoying your get up.
Oh, thanks. This is me now, like
Looking
all
good.
Assassin's Creed.
This is mine.
No, it's mine now.
That's mine.
No, it's mine.
I'm just going to show you guys kind of how much footage we actually take. So these are hard drives. So this is 1 terabyte. This is 2 terabytes. This is, I'm not sure how much this is, but it's absolutely massive. So I don't know how much that is, but it's a lot. And this is 2 terabytes. And then we also have a lot of storage on the laptop. And these are full. These are all full. So I really need to edit like a bunch of videos so I can kind of move the footage off some of these hard drives and delete it. But yeah, we do film like a lot. Gruel served. Ah, the simple life. Bam.
We did that last time.
Oh yeah. Stop watching my move. You daredevil. Thank you. What are you doing?
The internet's pretty bad here, so we're going to try and see if it helps by hoisting it to the top.
Goodbye, phone. That didn't work, huh?
No, unfortunately not. I'm not sure why. Yeah, it didn't work.
Yeah, it actually made the internet worse, so we brought it back down.
Say it again.
You took the sun cream. Can't take pancakes
Can't
with
take
us.
pancakes to the beach.
Pasta?
Can make some pasta.
Make some pasta.
Okay.
We were too greedy to take our lunch to the beach, so we're just eating it now. It's really hot.
I'll have that much, that's okay. I'm not that brave. That spicy sauce is really good.
Good, isn't it? For anyone curious about today's gourmet lunch, it is pasta, chili oil, basil, and hot sauce.
Simple, but it hits the spot.
You know what? It's delicious. Is your exercise done for the day?
I'm so done.
You warm now?
I'm very, very warm.
Don't fall.
I'll try not to. your chariot awaits. Am I overestimating your chariot?
No, my chariot is beautiful. Now I don't want to jinx it, but how we have never fallen in the water getting in the dinghy, I don't know.
Even when we've had a drink?
Yeah, there's some things that are just best left not being filmed. And the night where we went to an Irish bar with Cara and Brendan, we rowed back to Talisman. Well, we had an outboard on Cara and Brendan's dinghy that wouldn't start. So we were rowing back, we lost the oar, we managed to go and find the oar. And then we couldn't get back to the boat, we just couldn't coordinate our rowing, so I had my legs in the water kicking. And I was like, I'm gonna swim, I'm just gonna tow it back. And Bryn was trying to drag me back in the dinghy. Thank God we don't always take a camera out with us. Oh, no.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Some guy just told us we can't land here, so time to row back out. We can build a house.
Or you can make a trident and like lash it
that's
together
so
and then we
cool.
can get food. Okay, show me your survival skills.
My survival skills. Let's spell out help or SOS, right?
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna start making a shelter. I just need, okay, I've got lots of greenery, that's good.
God help us, guys. We might die.
Good tinder.
Do we have anything to make a fire? So we've got good tinder. Okay.
Got tinder. Look, a fish. See?
Do you know what?
Not bad.
Yeah,
Put some
that.
tinder in there
Yeah.
and did it. Have a fire.
So Jade has kindly built the start of our wigwam.
It needs a little bit of development, but I think the structure's there. Oh, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh. Okay, that was pretty close.
Yeah, you'll go.
Oh.
I think you were closer. Yeah, you're closer by a smidge.
Woohoo!
Ah, so nice. This sand.
What?
It's like rocks. That
No.
pay for this.
I'm barefoot.
Yeah, but you've got hobbit feet. My precious feet. Not cut out for sharp stones.
Guys, I don't think we'll ever get over that, like, we anchor for free. Like, we're just there. We're staying here for free.
It's so weird.
How mad's that?
It is proper bizarre.
I think it's crazy. Time to leave.
Time to leave.
Oh, it's so graceful.
It's not love without the fever.
There's something very strange looking in the water.
It's getting hard.
Have we stopped dragging?
Yeah, just had a visit from the Coast Guard, but we'll tell you the more details later, I suppose. We've sailed our own boat to Rome.
We're selling Talisman.
Yeah,
That's-
we're selling Talisman.
That's what's happening.